Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Homemade pizza rolls are on the menu today. Hey everybody, welcome to Miss Glow's Kitchen. Y'all know I rarely come up here before I cook. I rarely come up here before I make a recipe. But this one, we got to talk about this one. This one is homemade pizza rolls. So if you got kids, they like those Totino's pizza rolls. I do sometimes, but I got something for you even better. Easy, quick way to make your own pizza rolls and put your own fillings inside. You don't got to use just pepperoni. You can use sausage. You can use anything you want to use. So y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. What you need to make it is pizza sauce, whatever kind of meat you want to put in there, cheese, and wonton wrappers. So I'm going to use a quesadilla cheese. Why? Because it's a melting cheese. Yeah, I like mine a little stringy. You know what I'm saying? So all right, let's get to the assembly part. Quick, easy, and hey, let me tell you. Oh, the other thing is you need a like some flour and water mixed, or an egg wash. Actually, I'm going to use some cornstarch mixed with water. So no particular amount, just get some water, mix it in. You're going to make yourself like a little liquid paste. And that's what's going to seal these for us. So no, I did not show it on camera, but it's pretty easy to make. It's pretty simple. All right, so I'm going to put some meat right in the middle of the wonton wrapper. So exactly in the middle of it. So you're going to go in the order that you want to go in, but I don't recommend that you put the pizza sauce on the bottom. I do say it comes, you put it at least in the middle, or maybe even on the top. All right, so we got the meat, then we got the pizza sauce, and then we have the cheese. But make sure that you put this all in the center, because you've got to be able to close this up. Now watch how simple it is to close it up. Got it off camera a little bit, but trust me, you're not going to miss it. Now you're going to put it in like a diamond shape towards you, because you're going to close it. You're going to close it almost like an envelope. So watch this. You're going to close the two opposite sides, and then you're going to close the other two opposite sides. So look at that. You're going to fold that side over, fold that one over. Now, at the bottom, really can't see what I'm doing, but what I'm doing right there is I'm pushing that stuffing up in that wonton, and then I'm going to fold it over. Now you'll see it on the top. Now I'm going to take this part, and I want to push that in so I can have a nice little pocket of ingredients. And so after that, I wet it just a little bit more, and I'm going to fold our last flap over. So once we fold this flap over, that's sealed. So you're going to make sure, like an envelope, you're going to run your fingers along there, and you're going to make sure that that's closed, so that when you let that go right there, it doesn't come apart. You know what I'm saying? So look, it's almost like it's glued shut. All right, so all right, I'm going to show you another one. Now this one, I'm going to get it to the middle of the board, because I did realize that right there, it was off center a little bit. So I'm going to get it moved up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing, and then I'm going to go very fast. And so they're not going to be all, uniform size. You can see that this one is almost like a rectangle on me, so it depends on how you fold it. But if you want all of them uniformly and beautiful, then fold them carefully and make sure that you put the exact amount of filling in each one. So that means you're going to use some sort of little measuring spoon or something like that. You will not eyeball it. And that's what will get you a perfect square every time. All right, so check that out. I just wanted to do a few more so you can see it. I'm going to seal that. All right, so one more. I'm going to do one with just pepperoni. You can do this with just cheese. You can put a little bell peppers and onions. So anything that you eat on pizza, you can cut it small, and you can put it in these little pizza rolls. So quite easy, quite quick. You got to try this. All right, so let's jump over to the frying part. So the oil is already hot, as I've been frying egg rolls today too. Just a few of them. I didn't fry a lot. So it's all ready. As soon as you put it in there, that's what you want to see. You want to see those bubbles come up. So this is about at maybe 375. You want to make sure that oil is really hot. Remember that your fillings on the inside, they're already cooked, so you don't have to cook them. What you want to do is you want to make sure that cheese is melted. But trust me, by the time these are golden brown, trust me when I tell you, your cheese inside is already melted. So you can believe that one. So these are quick. So not going to give you a particular time on it. What I'm going to tell you is as soon as it gets to be a golden brown, as golden as you want. If you like to fry your fried foods a little darker, then you can do that. Just make sure you don't burn it. But if you like to do them a little lighter, then you can do them on the little lighter side here too. There's no right or wrong way to do these, okay? So pretty quick process. You want to have something to drain these on, and then you want to have yourself like a pizza sauce or some kind of sauce, whatever you're going to dip it in. I dipped mine in pizza sauce, so it's going to be up to you actually. But have these ready, and if you're going to do a lot of them, then do all of them before you start frying them, unless you're just going to take them, going to serve them in small batches then. All right, so these are ready. I'm just going to show you what they look like once they're done. Told you, quick, easy recipe. So I sprinkled some shredded Parmesan cheese on here, put a little parsley, got my dipping sauce on the side, and that is it. Y'all know what I'm going to say. These are so good. Y'all better go make some. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.